Bravery in being bold leads to death. Bravery in being retreat leads to surviving. These two kinds of bravery. There is some advantage and some disadvantage. Who knows why? Heaven hates what it hates. Even the sage feels it difficult to understand. This is the Tao of Heaven. To excel in triumphing by means of non-contention. To be good at answering by means of taciturnity. To attract people by using no summons. To be quick in planning by acting slowly. Heaven's net is wide. Although it has meshes, nothing escapes from it. In this chapter, people like to talk about the risk is proportional to the return. The actual and risk is proportional to the loss is the same meaning. Risk takers should have the corresponding bottom line and abide by the limits of legal ethics. Otherwise they may bring disadvantage to themselves.